So in the last class, we started integration. So it is the reverse process of differentiation. I have given the list of standard integrals. So like integration of sin x is minus cos x. Integration of cos x is sin x. For secant square x, it is tan x. For cosecant square x, it is minus cot x. For secant x into tan x, it is secant x. For cosecant x into cot x, it is minus cosecant x. For tan x, it is log of secant x. For cot x, it is log of sin x. For secant x, it is log of secant x plus tan x. For cosecant x, it is minus log of cosecant x plus cot x. Right? And we have also discussed few examples of algebraic terms. Now let us concentrate the trigonometric functions. Integration of sin x divided by cos square x. Integration of sin x divided by x. So we cannot integrate it directly. We don't have the integral of this form. Hence, we need to make this into integrable by using trigonometric formulas. We have to change this into what? See, 1 sin x divided by cos square x, right? I will take it as 1 by cos x into sin x divided by cos x, correct? So 1 into sin is what? Sin only. Cos x into cos x is what? Cos square x. Then trigonometric formula. 1 by cos x is what? 1 by cos x is secant x. Into sin x by cos x is what? Tan x. It is an integral, right? We have formula for this. See, integration of secant x into tan x is what? Secant x. The answer is secant x plus c. So like that, if I take cos x divided by sin square x, what you will get? You will get sin x into cos x by sin x. So you are always getting what? Cosecant x into cot x. For cosecant x into cot x, the answer will be minus cosecant x plus c. You can try this example. Okay. Next problem, integration of 1 plus sin x divided by cos x. 1 plus sin x divided by cos x. It is of quotient form, right? We don't have quotient rule equivalent to differentiation. Then we need to simplify this into integrable. We have two terms at the numerator, one term at the denominator. Now each term of the numerator should be divided with the denominator, right? Then only it will become simplified form. 1 divided by cos x plus sin x divided by cos x, right? Into dx. Again, what is 1 by cos x? 1 by cos x is secant x plus sin x by cos x is tan x. Now it becomes integrable. Write the formula. Integration of secant x is what? A log of secant x plus tan x plus integration of tan x is log of secant x plus c, right? So if 1 by, you have to follow the same procedure of previous example. Like that only you need to simplify it. That is 1 divided minus cos x by sin x, cos x divided by sin x into dx. What is 1 by sin x? It is cosecant x, right? Minus what is cos x by sin x? Cos x by sin x is cot x into dx. Now integrate cosecant x, cot x individually, right? This is sum or difference of two terms. Integration of cosecant x is what? Integration of cosecant minus log of cosecant x plus cot x minus log of cosecant x plus cot x. Integration of cot x. Integration of cot x is equal to log of sin x plus c, where c is what? Constant of integration, right? Suppose if it is having negative sign at this problem, what it becomes? Minus 1 minus sin x. So this will become minus, this will become minus, this will become minus, right? Suppose if it is plus, the answer will be what? Plus, this is plus, this is plus, this will become plus, right? Same type, 1 minus cos x divided by, if it is sin square x. See the difference between this type of problem and this type of problem. At the denominator, it is only sin or cos, but here denominator is having sin square or cos square corresponding. If it is sin square, this will have 1 plus or minus cos. If it is cos square, this will have 1 plus or minus sin. Then it can taken, denominator is taken for both the numerators. 1 divided by sin square x minus cos x divided by sin square. We have to follow the same procedure. 1 divided by sin square minus cos divided by square. 1 by sin square x, 1 by sin x into what? X by sin x into dx. What is 1 by sin? 1 by sin is cosecant, right? According to that, 1 by sin square is what? Cosecant square x minus 1 by sin is what? 1 by sin is cosecant x into cos x by sin x is what? Cot x into dx. Then integrate it. Integration of cosecant square is what? It is minus cot x minus of integration of cosecant x into cot x is minus cosecant x. This is minus of cosecant x plus c. Otherwise, it become cot x minus into minus plus cosecant x plus c. You can do it in the same way for these problems. 1 plus cos x. Suppose if it is cos plus, the answer will become what? This is plus, this is plus, this is plus, this will become plus, and this will become minus. You follow the same procedure for this type of problem, that is 1 plus or minus sin x divided by cos square x into dx. The procedure is same, right? Follow the procedure and get the answer. See the next problem. Suppose if it is cos x divided by 1 plus or minus sin x or cos x. Cos x divided by 1 cos x divided by 1 plus sin x or 1 minus sin x. Now, numerator is having only one term. Denominator is plus or minus of two terms. It cannot be simplified directly. To make this into integrable, we need to denominator. If it is multiplied with 1 minus sin x by 1 minus sin x, then it will become rationalizers, right? Take the given term by 1 plus sin x in denominator. Denominator is to be rationalized. This is 1 minus sin x. It become what? 1 minus sin x divided by 1 minus sin x into dx. Now multiply the numerator with the numerator, cos x into minus cos, that is cos x into 1 minus sin x whole divided by, see the denominator, it is of what form? B, a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. Is it right? The denominator is of the form a plus b, a minus b. See, these two terms are same, these two terms are same, but having different sign. We should consider it as a plus b, which is equal to a square minus b square. A square means 1 square minus sin square x. B square means sin square x. As we know that 1 square is what? 1 square is equal to 1 only. 1 minus sin square. What is 1 minus sin square? Square x. According to identity. According to the identity. Sin square x plus cos square x is equal to 1. Or sin square x is equal to 1 minus cos square x, or cos square x is equal to 1 minus square x. According to this one, 1 minus sin cos square x, right? Cos x cancel. What is remaining? 1 minus sin x by cos x into dx. Okay? 1 minus sin x divided by cos x. Now, again it is like previous example. Okay. 1 by cos x minus sin x by cos x. Right, according to the trigonometric formula, 1 by cos x is what? It is secant x. Minus sin x by cos x is what? Tan x into dx. We have integration for these two terms, right? What is integration of secant x? It is log of secant x plus tan x, right? Minus integration of tan x is what? It is log of secant x plus c. This is answer. The same procedure should be followed for these problems. That is integration of cos x divided by 1 minus sin x. You will get same answer with the opposite sign. See, if it is minus, what is answer? I should take, this is plus, this is plus. This will become what? Plus. Now, the same procedure for the opposite sign. And you can also take this problem, sin x divided by 1 plus cos x into dx. Sin x divided by 1 minus cos x into dx. They are all same type of problems. Right? Then we can move to the next type of problem. So this integration of cos square x divided by 1 minus sin x. So cos square x divided by 1 minus sin square x. Can you write cos square in terms of sin? Use the identity cos square x is equal to 1 minus sin square x. Suppose if it is given in sin square, this will be in what? 1 plus or minus cos x. Take the numerator into 1 minus sin square x divided by into dx. Can we consider 1 as 1 square? Because 1 square is also 1. Why we have taken like this? Because it will become s square. S square minus b square b in. If I expand according to that, the numerator become 1 plus sin x, 1 minus sin x, right? It is of a square minus b square form. It can be expanded into a plus b, a minus b, all divided by 1 minus sin x into dx. Right? See, there is common terms at numerator and denominator. 1 minus sin x, 1 minus sin x, they get cancelled. Remaining, it is 1 plus sin x into dx. We can integrate this. What is integration of 1? It is x. Plus, what is integration of sin x? It is minus cos x, right? See the list, plus c, or it is equal to x plus into minus is minus cos x plus c. Got it? In the same way, you can do it for this problem, that is cos square x divided by 1 plus sin x divided by 1 plus cos x dx, or sin square x divided by 1 minus cos x dx. For these three problems, you follow this same procedure. Take sin square in terms of 1 minus cos square, or cos square in terms of 1 minus sin square. Expand it according to a square minus b square form. Then common terms at numerator and denominator get cancelled. Integrate for the remaining term. Okay. See this problem. 1 minus sin x, or 1 plus sin x, or 1 by 1 plus or minus cos x. They have same solutions. Procedure is same. Again, it is what? 1 by 1 minus sin x. This is not integrable directly. So what to do? We have to go for rationalization. Right? 1 by 1 minus divided by what? 1 by 1 plus sin x divided by 1 plus sin x into dx. Suppose if it is plus, we should take it minus. 1 minus sin x by 1 minus sin x. This is equal to 1 into 1 plus sin x. Numerator is multiplied with numerator. Denominator is multiplied with denominator. See the denominators. They are of what form? A minus b. A plus b is equal to a. Right? This is equal to 1 into 1 plus sin x is 1 plus sin x divided by 1 square is what? 1 square is 1. 1 minus sin square. What is 1? It is cos square. It is equal to cos square x. Then take each numerator term with the denominator. So 1 by cos square x plus sin x by cos square x into dx. What is 1 by square? 1 by cos is secant. 1 by cos square is secant square x. Plus, see this term, it is of what? Sin x divided by cos square x. We can as 1 by cos x into sin x by cos x. Correct? 1 by cos x into sin by cos. 1 by cos is secant x into sin by cos is tan x. Then what? Integration. What is integration of secant square? It is derivative of tan. No. Therefore, integration of secant square is tan x. Plus, this is derivative of what? Secant x. Therefore, integration is secant x plus c. Right? Like that, you can work out for this 1 by 1 plus sin x dx, 1 by 1 plus or minus cos x dx. For these problems, you can follow the same procedure, right? Next, integration of 1 divided by sin square x into cos square x dx. You observe this problem. It is of what? 1 divided by sine square x into cos square x. Suppose if I take 1 by sine square into 1 by cos square, it becomes what? Secant square into cosecant square. Correct? 1 by cos secant square. It won't be integrable. Secant square into cosecant square. Is it integrable? So if it is plus or minus, it is integrable. If it is product, we cannot integrate directly. Then what to do? We have to simplify it. It should be made as integrable one. How we can make this into integrable? As we know that sine square a plus cos square a is what? It is 1. Instead of this numerator 1, you take sine square x plus cos square x. See, 1 can be taken as what? Sine square x plus cos square x all divided by what? Sine square x into cos square x dx. Now we have sum of two terms at the numerator. Each term is divided with the denominator. It become what? Sine square x divided by sine square x into cos square x. Is it right? Each term of numerator should be divided with entire denominator. So according to that, sine square divided by whole thing plus cos square x divided by whole thing, that is sine square x into cos square x into dx. Now see, numerator and denominator is having common term, sine square x, sine square. Here also cos square x get cancelled. Take the remaining thing. What is remaining thing? 1 divided by cos square. So 1 by cos is secant. Sine square x plus 1 by sine. 1 by sine is cosecant. 1 by sine square is what? It is cosecant square x into dx. Got it? Now it is integrable. Write its formula. Integration of secant square x is what? It is tan x. Plus integration of secant square x is what? Minus cot x plus c. That is equal to tan x minus cot x plus c. Next one, integration of root of 1 minus sine 2x into dx. If it is only 1 minus sine 2x, we now integrate it directly. This can be integrated by direct substitution method that will be dealt in the next. But now, because of that root, we cannot integrate directly. We need to cancel this root. When it become cancelled, root of same thing squaring whole square, then only this will become cancelled. So in that direction you think of it. We have sine square x plus cos square x is what? Sine square x plus cos square x is equal to 1. 1 is replaced as sine square x plus cos square x. Why I am taking this? Because we have sine 2x is equal to 2 sine x into cos x. See, sine 2x can be expressed in terms of what? Sine x and cos x. Now, if I take this is in terms of 2 sine x cos x, that become 2ab form. If it is a square plus b square minus 2ab, then it could be taken as a plus b whole square or a minus b whole square according to this sign. So 1 can be taken as sine square x plus cos square x. Sine 2x can be taken as what? According to the formula, multiple angle sine 2x into cos x dx. Now observe the term, right? Root of, what is it? A square plus b square a b. It become what? A minus b whole square. Correct? A square plus b square minus 2ab. What is a? A is sin x. What is b? B is cos x. Then it could be taken as what? Sin x minus cos x whole square into dx. Correct? Now this square and root get cancelled. Sin x minus cos x whole square, it is in root, therefore they get cancelled. What is remaining? Sin x minus cos x into dx. Now we can go for integration. Correct? What is integration of sin x? It is minus cos x. It is cos minus integration of sin x. Cos x is sin x plus c. The same problem of, or you can solve it, 1 plus sin 2x dx. So one and the same, only difference is what? Sin. What will be the answer? Minus cos x plus sin x. Right? It is of a square plus b square plus 2ab form. Right? In the same context, we can take this problem. Integration of sin square or sin theta by 2 plus cos theta by 2 whole square theta. So the variable may be integral variable, may be theta, maybe x, or maybe in t. According to that, we have to integrate, right? This is variable. So problem is in what? Theta. So the problem looks in what form? See this problem? It is of sin theta by 2 plus cos theta by 2 whole square. Can you expand it according to a plus b whole square? A plus b whole square is equal to what? A square plus b square plus 2ab. Right? Right, according to that is sin square theta by 2 plus b square. B square is what? Cos square theta by 2 plus 2 into sin theta by 2. B is what? Cos theta by 2 into d theta. We have a plus b whole square form, hence it is expanded. Observe this. Sin square a plus cos square a. So they are same. Therefore, we can take it as 1. In place of a, what is there? It is theta by 2. Sin square a plus a is equal to 1. This is plus. This is what? This is 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2 is sin theta. Submultiple angle. Submultiple angle. So sin a is equal to 2 sin a by 2 into cos a by 2. According to this one, you can take it as sin theta into d theta. Is it right? Sin square a plus cos square is a. Both are same. No, you can take it as a plus 2 sin a by 2 cos a by 2. This can be taken as sin a. It becomes sin theta. Then it is integrable. Integration of 1 is what? Theta. We are integrating with respect to theta. Therefore, take theta. Integration of sin is what? Minus cos theta plus c, which is equal to theta minus cos theta plus c. The same problem you can take it for minus. In minus, it becomes what? This is minus. This is minus. This will be the minus. This will become what? Plus. Okay. Take this one. This is a very important one. Tan square x dx. Tan square x dx. So we have integration for tan x. Correct? It is log of secant x, but we don't have for tan square x. This can be make this into integrable form using what? See this secant square a minus tan square a is what? 1. Okay, secant square A minus tan square A is 1. According to that, we can take tan square in terms of secant square. Secant square A minus 1 is equal to tan square A. We have integration for secant square and 1. Therefore, change this tan square x into secant square x minus 1 into dx. Right? Secant of secant square x is tan x. Integration of 1 is what? X plus c. Right? In the same way, we can go for cot square x. We can go for cot square x. Again, use this identity. Cosecant square a minus cot square a is equal to 1. Or cosecant square a minus 1 become what? Plus cot square a. Then I can replace as what? It is cosecant square x minus 1 into dx. Cot square x can be taken as what? Cosecant square x minus 1. Secant square, it is minus cot x. What is integration of 1? It is x, right? Minus cot x minus x plus c, right? Integration of cos 2x divided by sin x plus cos x into dx. Numerator is what? Cos 2x. Denominator is what? Sin x plus cos x. We cannot divide this with this. So, how to make this into integrable form? You just recall cos 2a formula. Cos 2a is equal to cos square a minus sin square a. Is it right? In terms of cos and sin, we should take that is equal to cos square x minus sin square x divided by sin x plus cos x into dx. See the numerator. Numerator is of what form? It is a square minus b square form, right? A square minus b square is equal to what? A square minus b square is a plus b into a minus b. See, I am writing many times. Same formula I am writing many times because it should be practiced, right? So if you look this type, you should directly write. You're able to write the formula. A square minus b square is what? A plus b into a minus b. A plus b into a minus b. All divided by what is there? It is sin x plus cos x. Can you see the common terms at numerator and denominator? So here is cos x plus sin x. This is sin x plus cos x. One and the same. A plus b or b plus a. One and the same. Therefore, you can cancel this. What is remaining? It is cos x minus sin x into dx. Integrate this. Integration of cos x is what? It is sin x. Minus integration of sin x is what? It is minus cos x plus c, or it is equal to sin x plus cos x plus c. Okay. Based on this tan and cot, we can frame one. This is what? Integration of tan x plus cot x whole square, or tan x minus cot square. The problem is of what form? It is of a plus or a minus b whole square form. You just expand that. According to expansion, it is what? A square plus b square, a square plus b square plus 2ab, 2 into tan x into cot x into dx. If I look at each term, tan square x. So we don't have for tan square, we have for tan. But so see, for tan, For tan square, we should make this into secant square minus 1. For cot square, we should make it into cosecant square minus 1. If I write according to that, so tan square can be taken as what? Tan square can be square minus 1. Cot square can be taken as what? Cosecant square minus 1. Right? That is equal to secant square x minus 1 plus for this cosecant square minus 1 plus 2 into tan x into cot x. They are reciprocal functions, right? Their product is always equal to 1. Sin x into cosecant x is 1. Cos x into secant x is 1. Tan x into cot x is 1. That is 1 into dx. Or it is equal to secant square x plus cosecant square x minus 1. Minus 1 is what? Minus 2 plus 2 into dx. They get cancelled. What is remaining? It is secant square x plus cosecant square x. Integrate them. Secant square integration is tan x. Cosecant square integration is minus cot x plus c. It is equal to tan x minus cot x plus c. Suppose if it is minus sign, so what happens? This will become minus. This will become minus. So minus 1, minus 1, minus 2. It become minus 4. Along with this, you will have minus 4 into x. That is the answer for tan x minus cot x whole square. As we know that cos 2 theta is equal to 1 minus 2 sine square theta. Is it right? We can convert this into minus 2 sine square theta. It is taken to left side. It become what? Plus 2 sine square theta is equal to 1 minus cos 2 theta. Suppose if we come across 1 minus cos 2 theta, it should be taken as 2 sine square theta. Suppose if we come across sine square theta, we should be taken as 1 minus cos 2 theta divided by 2. Similarly, cos 2 theta is equal to 2 cos square theta minus 1. Is it right? According to that, you just transfer minus 1 to this side. It becomes 1 plus cos 2 theta is what? 2 cos square theta. If you come across 1 plus cos 2 theta, you take it as 2 cos square theta. For cos square theta, you can also take it as 1 plus cos 2 theta divided by 2. Right? These two factors. Let us see few problems. Integration of root of 1 minus cos 2x by 1 plus cos 2x into dx. Inside the root, observe each term. 1 minus cos 2x. What I said? 1 minus cos 2 theta is 2 sine square. So it is 2 sine square x. 1 plus cos 2x. 1 plus cos 2x should be taken as what? 2 cos square x. Right? 2 get cancelled. What is remaining? It is sine square by cos square. What is sine by cos? Sine by cos is tan. Therefore, sine square by cos square is tan square x dx. These two get cancelled. What is remaining? It is tan x only. Equation of tan x. See the list? It is log of secant x plus c. In this problem, if the signs are numerator is 1 plus cos 2x, denominator is 1 minus cos 2x. So answer will be what? Integration of cot x. Integration of cot x is what? Log of sin x. Right? integration of root of 1 minus cos 2 x into dx. Next problem, it is root of what? Root of 1, root of 2 divided by 1 minus cos 2x. Sometime it may be given 1 plus cos 2x, right? According to the formula, root of 2 by, what is 1 minus cos 2x? 2 sin square x, right? 2 get cancelled. What is remaining? 1 divided by sin square. 1 by sin is cosecant. 1 by sin square is what? Cosecant square x into dx. This square root get cancelled. So cosecant x into dx. Integration of cosecant is what? Minus log of cosecant x plus cot x plus c. Suppose if it is plus, this will become cos square, this becomes secant square, this is secant, integration of secant is log of secant x, integration of root of 1 plus cos 2x, only root of 1 plus cos 2x. Just write the formula. 1 plus cos 2x should be taken as what? It is equal to 2 cos square x, right? Now, can you cancel the square and root? No, it is not possible. Why? Because of root. It can be cancelled by taking that 2 outside the root. Then means what? Separate the root. Root of AB can be taken as root A into root B. So according to that, root B into root of cos square x dx. Now the square and root get cancelled. Integrate for cos x. Root 2 into integration of cos x is what? Cos x is sin x. Sin x plus c. That is root 2 into sin x plus c. Okay. See this integration of 1 minus cos 2x. We don't have a root. Use same formula. 1 by 1 minus cos 2x is what? 1 divided by 2 sin square x dx. You take 1 by 2 outside. What is remaining? If I take 1 by 2 outside, the remaining thing is 1 by sin square. 1 by sin square is what? Cosecant square x dx. Correct? Keep 1 by 2 as it is. Integrate cosecant square. Cosecant square integration is what? Minus cot x. This is minus 1 by 2 into cot x plus c. Right? So if we come across 1 minus cos 2 theta, take it as 2 sin square theta. If it is 1 plus cos 2 theta, take it as 2 cos square. Right? Integration by direct substitution method. Integration, direct substitution method. The problem is given in this way. Integration of ax plus b to the power of n into dx. We have integration for x to the power of n. Correct? We don't have integration. How to integrate this type of problem? We have to go for substitution method. How to substitute? We have to change the variables. It is in x. Okay. We need to change this into another variable. See, put t is equal to ax plus b. Suppose if I take this is equal to t, the integral become what? T to the power of n into dx. So this cannot be integrated. Why? This is in t, this is in dx. Then what to do? In place of dx also, we need to change. When this is in t, it dt. If it is in theta, it should be in d theta. Then only we can integrate, right? To have dx, I should go for differentiation. Differentiate t with respect to x. I will get dt divided by dx is equal to differentiation of ax is what? A into 1 differentiation plus differentiation of any constant is what? 0. So it is a only, right? I need only dx. Therefore, just take dx to this side and a towards denominator of dt. dt divided by a is equal to dx. Now, entire problem integral is replaced into dt or t. Therefore, the given integral reduces to t to the power of ax plus b is what? Ax plus b is equal to t. Then t to the power of what? N. Differentiation. After differentiation, I got the value of dx. What is it? Dx is equal to dt divided by a. What is a? A is constant. You take it outside. Then t to the power of n into dt. It is of what form? It is of x to the power of n dx form. X to the power of n dx form. What it answer? It is x to the power of n plus 1 plus c. Right? Just replace according to that. It is 1 by a into t to the power of n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 c. Or what is t? Replace it. Substitute t value back. T is equal to what? Ax plus b. Because the integral is in x, the answer should be in x only. So we have only this procedure to make the problem into integrable. Okay. This we have substituted the given function into another variable. This is also changed into required variable. It is substituted, then integrated. What is t? It is ax plus b to the power of n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus c. So in all the formulas of integration, this x is replaced by what? X is replaced by ax plus b. Ax plus b. So what is integration of 1 by x to the power of n? It is minus 1 by n minus 1 into x to the power of n minus 1 plus c. What is integration of 1 by x? It is log x, correct? Plus c. What is integration of e power x? It is e power x only. E power x plus c. What is integration of 1 by root x? It is what? It is 2 root x plus c. What is integration of a power x? It is a power x by log a, correct? See, in all these formulas, this and this, in all these formulas, just replace x by ax plus b. See, in the left side, replaced by ax plus b. What happens to the right side? It also become x become ax plus b. We need to write extra term. That extra term is 1 by a. What is a? A is x coefficient. Right? So based on this derivation, we can change all these formulas in direct substitution method. Right? For this problem, form becomes what? Ax plus b to the power of n is what? Ax plus b to the power of n plus 1 by n plus 1 into what? 1 divided by a. What is a? A is x coefficient. Suppose if it is 1 by ax plus b to the power of n, what will be the answer? Minus 1 by x plus b to the power of n minus 1 into 1 by a. What is a? X coefficient. Right? We need to extend this procedure for all the standard integrals. Suppose if it is what? Integration of ax plus b, cos of ax plus b, what will be the answer? Sin of ax plus b divided by a. Integration of secant square ax plus b, it is what? Tan of ax plus b divided by a. Right? We need to all x with ax plus b, but in answer we need to write extra, that is 1 by a, that of x. So this is only for ax plus b form. It is nothing else applicable for other things. What is meaning of ax plus b? How it will be? A and b are constant. It may be 3x plus 5, 2x minus 3. It may be 4x plus or minus 1. It may be x plus 1. It may be x minus 1 or 4 minus x or 3 minus 3 plus x or only 4x, 2x. Sometime minus x should also be taken into this form. A and B are any numerical value. It may be a positive or negative. Even minus a should also be taken to this form, ax plus b form. What is a? Minus 1. What is b? 0. Here, what is a? 4. What is b? 0. What is a? X coefficient is what? 1. What is a? X coefficient is minus 1. By understanding, here we can extend the whole thing to entire list of standard integrals. Okay. See, based on that, integration of ax plus b to the power of n is remembered as ax plus b to the power of n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 into x coefficient. X coefficient is what? A. See the examples. Examples. Integration of 3x plus 5 to the power of 10. N may be any number. What will be the answer? See, x should not be, it is x should have only the power 1. If it is having x square, it will. Instead of this, if I take 3x plus tan x, it will not be applicable. Very important, right? It is applicable only for ax plus b form, right? Linear equation. Answer is what? 3x plus 5 to the power of 10 plus 1, 11 divided by 10 plus 1, 11 into x coefficient. What is x coefficient? X coefficient is equal to 3 plus c. This is equal to what? 3x plus 5 to the power of 11 divided by 11 into 3 what? 33 plus c. Right? Integration of e power ax plus b dx is equal to what? E to the power of ax plus b divided by a plus c. So according to that, e to the power of 3x minus 2 is what? 3 to 8 e to the power of 3x minus 2, because integration of e power ax plus b is e power ax plus b by x coefficient.
System
Integration of e to the power of minus x. This is very important. In any way, it will be given is what? E power minus x divided by minus 1 plus 1. Why? Minus 1 is the coefficient of x. See this. Ax plus b to dx is equal to what? It is log of ax plus b divided by what? X coefficient, that is a plus c. See the example, 1 by 1 minus x dx. What is the answer? Log of 1 minus x divided by x coefficient. What is x coefficient? It is minus 1 plus c. It is equal to minus of log of 1 minus x plus c. Right? So like that, we can extend the same idea for all the standard integrals. Okay. So this will be continued in the next class, right? So in this class, we discussed integration of the trigonometric functions by using trigonometric identity formulas, right? So with this, I am going to conclude my today's class. If you have any doubt, please raise the question.